there are four primary barriers that present themselves as we attempt to get closer in our relationship, as we approach deeper levels of emotional closeness, intimacy. These four primary processes are what we will encounter that will attempt or have the effect of blocking our path toward greater emotional closeness. And the first step in activating the healing triad is to generate awareness of these barriers. I use an expression, name it to tame it. We're not going to be able to get beyond a barrier if we don't know what it is. At least we're not going to be able to in any way reliably deal with that barrier if we have no consciousness of what it is. We might get past it in a session, but in terms of what somebody takes with them down the road, I find it helps enormously when people can be conscious of what those barriers are. And they include anxiety, shame, toxic forms of guilt, and what I call self-protective strategies, which do coincide with classic defense mechanisms, but I'm not crazy about the idea of defensive because that can feel shaming sometimes. I think that all of our self-protective reactions are attempts at to survive in a family unit system. They're all meant to help us to cope and stay as connected as we can.
To learn more about our programs or subscribe to our mailing list, visit deftinstitute.com.